Hi, I'm Mike, founder of GoodBed.com. Today we're going to be taking you through the Sealy Hybrid collection, which is brand new for 2018. And just for a reminder or context, this is one of 3 total collections that Sealy offers. The first being the Response Innerspring line, the second being the Conform All Foam line, and this third line, the Hybrid line, really combines elements of both of those. Now, for just a broader, more general overview of all the products that Sealy offers, you're going to want to check out another video that we released a few months ago because the Conform and the Response lines haven't changed for 2018. But the one thing that is brand new for 2018 is the Hybrid line that we're going to describe and show you in this video. So stick around. And one thing you need to know about Sealy's product line that's probably changed since the last time you shopped for a mattress is how they use the term Posturepedic. In the past, you probably remember that Posturepedic was a product line that Sealy offered that actually was a large product line that encompassed a big portion of their products, to the point where you maybe even thought of Sealy and Posturepedic as almost synonymous. Today, they think of Posturepedic as a class of features that's actually available across all 3 of their product lines, the Response, the Conform, and the Hybrid. But it's not available on all the models in any of those collections. Generally, it's only available at the middle to higher end of those product lines. And in all cases, the feature that they offer, that they call Posturepedic Technology, is designed for the same purpose, which is to provide additional support underneath the heaviest part of your body, which for everyone is your hips. So you can think of it as a feature that's specific to the center third of the mattress underneath your hips. Now, the actual mechanics of how they achieve that varies by product line. So in the new Hybrid collection for 2018, what Posturepedic Technology means specifically is a higher coil density in the center third of the mattress, which basically means just more coils per square foot in the center third than they have at the foot or the head of the mattress. Now, it's actually the same coil used throughout the mattress. They just basically figured out a different way to arrange them, more like in a honeycomb pattern that has less space between the coils, and therefore they were able to get more coils into the same amount of space, specifically 20% more. And the idea there is that by having more of these same coils in this area, it's going to create more firmness in the support layer of the mattress, which you can think of as kind of the bottom half of the mattress, in the center than you're going to have at the foot or at the head. And I can just tell you that, like, I'm on one of the firmer models right here, and if I kind of just plop down on the mattress and I do the same thing at the foot, I feel like I sink a little deeper into the mattress over here than I do over here, on account of that additional support level firmness that the center third of the mattress has. So it's a subtle difference, but I do think you can feel it. So we're going to show you, as we move up through this line, which of the models have this Posturepedic technology and which ones don't. Now, within the Hybrid line, the naming conventions mirror Sealy's other 2 lines. So within the Hybrid line, you have 3 collections: the Essentials, which is the entry level, the Performance, which is the mid-level, and the Premium, which is the top end. And across the entire Hybrid line, you have 7 total models across those 3 collections: 1 in the Essentials, 3 in the Performance, and 3 in the Premium. To give you an idea, they start at about 12 inches at the beginning of the Hybrid line. They go up to about 15 inches. And from a price standpoint, they start around $10.99 at the beginning of the Hybrid line, and they go up to $24.99. And I just want to point out that those prices we're quoting are for mattress only, whereas the prices we quoted in the previous Sealy video were for a mattress set, encompassing both the mattress and a matching foundation. Now, in terms of just the general features that all of the Sealy Hybrid mattresses have in common, I tend to think of the Hybrid mattresses as feeling more like Sealy's Response line in its bottom half and feeling more like Sealy's Conform line in its top half, which is kind of just in general the concept of a hybrid. But to be a little bit more specific, in comparing the bottom half of the Hybrid to the Response line, you actually have the same exact coil that's used in the higher end of the Response line. And you even have the same, what they call Duraflex Edge, which is those 2 rows of slightly firmer coils going around the perimeter of the mattress to give it a stronger edge. And so really the only difference in the bottom half of the mattress from the higher end Response mattresses is just that center third in the case of the Hybrid mattresses that have that Posturepedic technology. And in the top half, what the hybrid mattresses have in common with the Sealy Conform line would be the stretch cover, the smooth unquilted top, as well as just the use of more conforming memory foams in those top layers of foam. And just specifically, the hybrid mattresses use two different types of memory foam. They use what they call the Comfort Sense foam, which is a gel memory foam, and then they use the Sealy Immersion Advanced foam, which is basically another type of memory foam that's only found in these new hybrid models that has phase change material sort of inside of it, mixed into it, and is a little bit slower responding. So you're going to find that on some of the hybrid mattresses, that top layer of memory foam is going to be that particular memory foam, so it gives it a little bit more of that slower memory feel. The last thing you should know about the names of the models in the Sealy hybrid line is that you're going to actually see some model names that Sealy has used for hybrid mattresses in the past. Names like copper and silver and gold, and even trust and Kelburn. This is sort of like how a car's model name can be reused from year to year, but things and features might change as new model years are released. In the case of these hybrid mattresses, it's been more than just features changing. It's pretty much the entire guts of these mattresses is different. So we just didn't want you to get confused about anything that you see about previous versions that shared the same name with these new hybrid mattresses. So now I'm on the entry-level model for the Sealy hybrid line. It's called the Trust 2, and as we mentioned, it's the only model in the Essentials collection of the hybrid line. And basically the purpose of this model was to kind of try to make the hybrid collection a little bit more accessible from a price standpoint. So this mattress retails at $10.99 in a queen size for the mattress only. It's a 12-inch mattress. It's got about 1.5 inches of memory foam at the top. So now we've moved up to the 3 models in the Sealy Hybrid Performance Collection, which is that mid-level of the hybrid line. And these models start at $12.99 in a queen size, and they go up to $15.99 in a queen size. And the names are the Kelburn 2, the Copper Firm 2, and the Copper Plush 2. And basically, the Kelburn has 1.5 inches of memory foam. You get up to the top of this collection, you have 3 inches of memory foam. But the main things that change in the Performance Collection from what you got in the base level of the hybrid line are 2 things. Number 1, they've added the Posturepedic Technology that we talked about earlier with those additional coils in the center third. And the second thing they add is that slower responding memory foam that has that phase change material, which has that cooling effect to it, mixed into it. So all 3 of these mattresses have both Posturepedic Technology and that slower responding phase change memory foam. And lastly, we've now arrived at the top of the line for Sealy Hybrid, the Sealy Hybrid Premium Collection, which also has 3 models. It starts at $19.99 with the Silver Chill Firm. Then you move to the Silver Chill Plush, which is also $19.99. And lastly, you end up with the top of the line for Sealy Hybrid, the Gold Chill Ultra Plush, which is $24.99 in a queen. In terms of what you're getting in the Premium Collection that you didn't get in the Performance Collection, the biggest thing you're getting is phase change material in the cover of the mattress in addition to some of the foams, which definitely gives these mattresses a more palpable coolness to the touch than the Performance or Essentials collection models. In terms of other things you're getting as you move into this Premium Collection, you're getting a little bit more memory foam in general. These all have about 3.5 inches of memory foam, and you're also specifically getting a little bit more of that more advanced memory foam that has the slower responsiveness and the phase change material mixed into it. You're also getting, with these 3 different mattresses in the Premium Collection, different feels from one another, with the softest being this top of the line. And even more specifically with this top of the line mattress, you're getting one thing that you don't get in the other 2, which is a sheet of microcoils going across the entire surface of the mattress, located right above the coil unit, which gives this mattress also a little bit more height. It's about 15 inches total, whereas these are more like 14 inches. These microcoils are short, and they just give you a little bit more of that conforming feel. And all in all, they add about 500 coils to the total coil count, so bringing it to just over 1,500 coils in this Gold Chill Plush model. So we hope you found this video helpful in getting a quick understanding of what the new Sealy Hybrid line for 2018 is really about. For more helpful information on how to choose the right mattress for you, go to GoodBed.com. In the meantime, thanks for watching, and we really hope you sleep well.